Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to publish your special data, your shape files, your raster files, vector data through GeoServer, and also how to publish the shape files or special data stored in the Postgis database through GeoServer. So I have already made one video showing how to install the GeoServer along with the Apache Tomcat, and also I have uploaded one video showing how to install the PostgreSQL database along with the PostGIS extension and how to upload the shapefiles into the PostGIS database. So you can see those videos before watching this video. I will give the I will give the link of both the videos in the description. So first of all, I will go to the GeoServer web page. The name is admin and the by default password is GeoServer. So as you can see, already these many layers and stores are available in the GeoServer. By default, it comes with these many stores. So we'll create our own stores. So by step we'll go. So on the left side, if you see, there are various options are there. So at first step, what we'll do, we'll create new workspace. So I'll click on the workspaces. I will click add new workspace, and you have to give the name of the new workspace. So what I will give any name. So suppose I'll give name special, and you have to give any this namespace URI that should be unique, and it kind of URL kind of thing, so you can give your project URL if available. Otherwise this need not to be, you need not to give any URL which is currently working on the web. You can give anything, such as I'm just giving it here, www.spatial. This is the hypothetical name you can give, and also you can make it as a default workspace if you want. So just submit it. So this special workspace has been created and it has been made the default workspace. So now after this creating the new workspace, we will create new stores. Just click on the stores and just click on the add new store. So there are various options. So what kind of store you want to create, vector data or raster data? Raster data is for your raster files, such as if you have any satellite images or any raster file. So there is option for TIFF, image, mosaic, and ArcGrid format. And for vector data, you have various options such as directory of shapefiles. So if you have number of shapefiles stored in single directory that you can use. If you have special data stored in PostgIS, so I will show you the two things: directory of shapefiles and for PostgIS database. If you have single shapefile, then also you can do. So first of all, I'll show you how to create directory of shapefile. Just click on that. Give any name. Suppose I'll give base layers. Description you can give, otherwise you can leave it blank. So I'll just copy the path of the folder where my all the shapefiles are stored. All the list of the shapefiles are coming. Many layers automatically it is taking all the name of the shapefiles. So you can publish any of the layer which you want to publish. So suppose I'll just simple publish one India district one. So I'll click on publish. So the name you can change here, title you can change, you can give the abstract or description about that, and below you can give the EPSG code of the projection. So what I will give 4 3. I know because the my shapefile is in the geographical coordinate system, spherical coordinate system. So the EPSG code for that is 4326. If you have shapefile in another projection such as UTM, so you have to give the EPSG code for that one. That you on Google you can easily find the EPSG code for the different projections. Otherwise, you can click on find here. You can search here. Suppose you have projection for, these are the list of the various projections are there. So you can search anyone here. All these are the EPSG code. So if you have UTM zone 21 with NAT 83 datum, so the code for this. So various projections are given with the EPSG code. You can search that one. So suppose I want to search for UT. For WGS. This you can search here all the datums. So I just made force declared and compute data. So it have compute the bounding box of my shapefiles. And native bound, just click on that. And these all are the name of the attributes, fields which are available in the shapefile. And you can here you can restrict the features also by SQL filter. SQL filter. Suppose you want to only publish the layer which belongs to particular state or district. So you can filter using this using these attributes. So if suppose you have a shapefile having population, so you can restrict the features which are having population greater than certain number or less than certain number or between something between the two numbers, so that you can restrict the features. So I'll publish all the layers. That's why. And also if you see here, there are publishing details also. Here you can give the style, various styles. So I have kept it the default style polygon. Otherwise you can also change the um, colors for the shapefile, or you can change the style of the shapefile. If you want to label with the some attribute name, that also you can do here. So I will not change anything here. I'll just go on data, and I'll just save it. So now if you go on the and click on the layers, and see this in the last one, India district special India district, this layer has been published with EPSG code 4326. So if you want to see how your layer looks like, what you do, just go on the layer preview and see this one, India district. Just click on open layers. So this is how your layer looks like. So if you click on any feature here, it will give the detail of that. So you can change the colors and styles through the publishing tab, which I have shown. So I'll make a separate video for that, how to change the style for the particular layer. Now I'll show you how to publish the layer which are stored under the PostgIS database. So I have already created one workspace, as already you saw. Under the stores, I will create add new store, and now I will add PostgIS database. So workspace is by default coming as special. You can give the data source name. So I'll just give it layers. Suppose any layers. You can give anything. Host, you can give the IP of the database. Suppose your database is installed in the local machine, you can give localhost. The port number 45432 is there, and you can give the database name. So what I will do, I will check the database name. Suppose under PostGIS I have, this is my name of the database. 19. Schema is also public. You can always check the schema here. There are various schemas, public tiger. So I have uploaded the tables under the public schema only. If you have some other table stored in other schema, so you can give the name of the schema here, and you have to give the username and password. So just username is Postgres, and give the password of your database, and you just save it. So I'll save this. So now your all these are layers are available in your database. So you can click one by one, and you can, suppose you want to publish India state, so I'll click on India state publish. Same thing again you have to do. You can change the name here, title, or also you can give the abstract, and here you can give the EPSG code, because I know the projection. Otherwise you can find your projection here, and you can change it and compute from data. Just compute the bounds, and just save it, or yes, and just, if you want to publish more layers, so just you can click on add new layer, choose from the various, I have this one, special underscore layers. So you can publish another layer. Suppose I want to publish the rainfall one. Just click here. So one by one you can add new layer. You can all select this store, and you can publish one by one. You can publish all the layers. One by one you can do. And suppose I want to publish from the another store, so which I have created earlier, directory of shapefiles. That was this one, special. This is, special is the name of the workspace, and this base layers is the name of the store, directory of shapefiles, and this layers, the store named layers is the store for the Postgis database. So for the directory of shapefile, click here. All the layers are coming here. So what I can do, you can do, you just keep on publishing like this. So whatever number of layers publish, you can publish like this. If you go, you see all the layers are coming here. 1, 2, 3. All the layers have been published here. If you go on the layer preview, just go one by one, you can check your layers. India state. This is my layer which has been published here. If you click, click on any feature, you can get the information of that feature. See here. I'm going to show you another one. Suppose this one. So this by default it is coming as gray color. You can always change the color of this. You can style of the layer. So that I will upload another video to how to change the style. So the basic how to change it. If you go under layers and whatever layer you want to change the color of, just go to that layer. Under publishing tag, you can select different styles here. So by default it is taking polygon one, but what you can do, you can create your new style here. There is option for styles. I'll click on styles. See, there are these many styles are there. You can add your new style. Suppose I'll add new style and give one new style. Suppose and select the workspace also under which you want to save. Format is SLD is okay. And if you want to copy from other style, suppose I'll take polygon one, I'll copy it. So it has copied all the style from the polygon one. So I can change this one. Suppose you want to remove the fill here. So if I remove the fill and I'll validate it and I'll apply it and I submit it. My new style has been created with the name of test. So what I'll do now, go under layers and I just click on suppose I want to change the style of this India state. I'll go under publishing tab and here I will select the different style. I don't know why it is not coming, but yeah, here special test. This is my style. So you can see now it is changed. It is the hollow one with the black boundary. I just save it. Now I'll go under layer preview and just click on the India state. So you see the style has been changed now. So I made it hollow. Now under the style you can give the label to it, you can give the different color, you can classify like this USA population if you see. So you can give these kind of colors based on the attributes. So this is the way how you can publish your layers and you can give the various styles. These SLD files can be generated using QGIS software or Unix software where you can export the style of a particular layer and you can just copy paste here. I'll make a separate video for that, don't worry. And also, so yeah, so this is the way how you publish layers. And in GeoServer also one more thing I want to show, how to publish the raster layers. So for raster layers again you have to go under stores, add new store. So here just select the format. Suppose I have files under geotype, just click on geotiff, select the workspace and give the data source name. So I'll give suppose ndvi and just copy the path where your file is there, just browse it. So these are the TIFF files which are available. So suppose I'll select the September, save it. So this GeoTIFF coverage layer name is coming, just you publish it. Here you can change the name. Suppose I'll give ndvi underscore September. change the title of this. It is by default taking 4326. Just leave it like that. Already computed the by default. Here you can change the name of the attribute when you click on the image. So I'll give it ndvi, and here also you can change the style of the raster file. So you can create the SLD for your raster file, and you can change here. So by default now it is taking the raster one, but you can always create your new style and change it. You can also go on the GeoServer website or help, and you can see the various ways to create the style. So it has been created. You see ndvi underscore September SEP. So go under the layer preview now and just click on this one. Yeah, this is the, so right now your image is looking white, but if you click on this, NDI value is coming. So you have to change the color of this. You have to create a style for this. So what I'll do, I'll check whether I have the style. I have already created one style for the raster one. I'll see whether I am having or not. Currently I don't have. Let me check. Yes, I think I have. No, sorry. So I'll show you how to, suppose I have one rainfall SLD with me. Created the rainfall SLD. So I'll make a separate video for that. Don't worry. So you have to give the colors. You have to change the colors. So I'll make a separate video for that. Don't worry. And you can always Google it. Geo. You can find this SLD cookbook. This website will show you how to create the SLD file for different, so polygon for rasters or polygon, suppose simple polygon like this, how to create like this. So it is, they have explained how to create a various different styles, how to give the graphic feel, graphic also. So that's it from this video. So I will give in the description the link for the another two videos, how to install the GeoServer along with the Apache Tomcat, now how to install the PostGIS database along with Postgres, now to upload the shapefiles in the PostGIS database. Now in future I will upload the videos showing how to make a WebGIS application using all this, using PostGIS, using GeoServer, and using some other front-end APIs such as Openlayers and Geoext. So hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.